Welcome back. In news overseas, U.S. President Donald Trump has cautioned Taiwan against formally declaring independence from China. Trump earlier said he had made no commitment either way about the self-governing island, which China claims as part of its territory and has not ruled out taking by force. The U.S. has long supported Taiwan, including being bound by law to provide it with a means of self-defense, but has frequently had to square this alliance with maintaining a diplomatic relationship with China. Washington's established position is that it does not support Taiwanese independence, with continued ties with Beijing being contingent on its acceptance that there is only one Chinese government. Many Taiwanese consider themselves to be part of the separate nation, though most are in favor of maintaining the status quo in which Taiwan neither declares independence from China nor unites with it.